How to create account in Ghibli Art.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the web browser that you use. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, you must enter this website name Ghibli Art.ai. So, you'll be in this website. Now, here on the top, you can see the sign in button. Tap on the sign in button. Here on the bottom, you can see this small sign up button. Tap on sign up. So here you must enter your email and you'll get a verification code, and you must even enter your password. So yes, let's enter our email. So a verification code will be sent to your email that you must verify in order to log in. So let's just wait for some time. As you can see, I have got my verification code. Now you can simply enter the verification code, and here on the bottom you can see the sign up button. Tap on sign up, and as you can see, I have been logged in. So this is the easiest way to create account in Ghibli. So thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you.